In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and apply fonts in Renderforest using the built-in font list. Before we dive in, a quick note to set expectations. Renderforest does not support uploading custom fonts. That means you'll be choosing from the fonts included in their library. The upside is that these fonts are tested to work smoothly across templates, so your text will display consistently without compatibility issues. To get started, open your browser and head to www.renderforest.com. Log into your account so you can access your projects and the editor. Once you're on the home page, look to the left panel and click Projects. This takes you to your personal workspace where all your videos and designs are organized. Find the project you want to edit and open it. You can select it by clicking its thumbnail or title, and it will load in the editor. Inside the editor, focus on the left-hand panel. Locate the font dropdown. This control manages the typography used throughout your project's text elements. When you click it, you'll see the full list of fonts available on Renderforest. Remember, this list is your complete font menu. Since custom uploads aren't supported, you'll be choosing from what you see here. Now take a moment to scroll through the available fonts. Each option has its own personality and purpose. Click on a font to apply it instantly to your project. You should see the change reflected right away in the preview area. Feel free to click through a few different fonts to compare how they affect readability, spacing, and overall style. For subtitles and longer text, lean toward cleaner, more legible choices. For titles or bold statements, a strong display face can add impact. Keep your brand tone and the mood of your video in mind as you test. If you typically use a font that isn't available here, look for the closest match. Consider whether your brand font is serif or sans serif, the general thickness and the overall vibe, friendly, modern, elegant, or professional. Choosing a font with similar characteristics will help maintain a consistent look and feel. Once you've found a font you're happy with, you're all set. Leaving it selected applies it across the relevant text settings in your project. From here, you can continue editing your content and layout, confident that your font choice is in place. That's the process. Go to renderforest.com, log in, open projects, open your project, click the font drop-down in the left panel, and browse and click a font to apply it. Simple, fast, and effective.